Installation Guide 304 Stainless Steel Volcano Texture Sink. Place the sink and remove the drain assembly. Install the drain assembly. Connect the bottle trap drainage system. Fix the overflow outlet and connect the pipe. Tighten the drainage pipe and install the connector. Place the filter basket, inner basin, and cutting board. .304 Stainless Steel Volcano Texture Single Bowl Sink with multi-functional accessories for larger usable space.